Hello! I was driving a GLA 250 now and I'm now back to my own car. I'm not going to do a car review today, but I'm going to do a quick unboxing video right now. Merry Christmas to everyone! And this pair of sneakers is really Christmas. What is this? The Air Jordan 1 jbalvin. Look, so Christmas. I don't know. I'm not a person that can carry very colorful sneakers, but this is the pair. Merry Christmas. Today is the Christmas party for Atmos KL. I tried to wear a little bit like Christmas, so I decided to unbox this. And I really like the pair because of the collaboration is really like jbalvin himself. The colors, the smiley face, it's pretty cool. And it comes with, I think, a lot of laces as well. Where are the laces? Yep. So you can see. Wow. So you can choose your lace. Quite cool though. I'll just and come with some different, I think, patches. I always like shoes with patches. You can just change all these patches yourself. Maybe I'll put on the smiley face one. So this pair for me is probably one of the most iconic pair release of Jordan 1, probably the top 10 Jordan 1 in 2020, and I'm just going to try to lace them out and put them on. Just bought this for Zia for 2020 Christmas present to match with her Adior. Merry Christmas everyone, don't forget to buy something for your loved one. Welcome to Atmos KL, and this is the magical season, Christmas of 2020. So the place is, they decorate and they have a very Christmas kind of feel. So today I'm here because they invited us to have a kind of Christmas gathering. So let's just tour around and I'll just interview a few of them. What is their 2020 like? They are all sneakerheads, so probably get some sneaker idea from them. Let's go. If you guys want to know who is Lamek, that guy. Helmet guy.
No, this Shengyi always in Malaysia wear double, triple layer, like not hot one, no. Hey, sorry, your camera show, sorry.
Oh, you have the video first. Yeah, got this thing. Okay. Hey! That's Let me get you something.
Cool. Surprised by Atmos KL, so we get to choose one apparel from the store, so probably get this. Kind of cool. So I'll just wear this and take some photos later. Love it. Oh, Merry Christmas. made me my favorite store. So I hope I can work here. So I'll be here. So come visit me in Atmos KL every day. I know Zhao will be sad seeing this because the plan this year, 2020, is we moving into our new house with a big Christmas tree like this, but now unfortunately we can't do this, so just take a photo for me and Zia and then we just send it to her and then celebrate Christmas like that.
Yeah, your one hard to take out, mine is easy. Yeah.
Back to the future.
I choose them because of the OG color only.
Hey, this is the OG color, right?
OG color.
You bought retail?
Retail.
So talk about this shoe. I know you are. Lamela is normally wears his helmet, but today he's not wearing his helmet. So can you talk about this shoe? Hey, why are you still liking sneakers? You are uncle level already.
Until the day I die.
Until the day you die. Okay. So talk about this shoe.
It's expensive.
Thank you for taking off this.
It's expensive. But this is the OG color of the MX, so I wanted this so badly.
I think it's like the MX90, the infrared colorway.
Correct.
Okay.
So it's very rare to get this. They come out later, a lot of those not so cool looking colors.
Hey, this is not the OG. I remember the OG is the yellow one.
No. This one, no? Because I wanted the orange and the silver. The color one.
Okay. So is it comfortable?
Oh, very comfortable.
So is this your sneaker of the year?
Not really.
Not really? Why?
Because this kind of shoe, maybe once or twice you can wear. You uncle wear this, uncle laugh back at you.
Uncle. Congratulations to the Atmos KL for this.
We trying to give back to the communities by using the influence of the sneaker nowadays. So everyone can buy a 5 ringgit ticket to get this out. We are very surprised that we collected 86,700.
86,700.
So all the money will give to the people who need it. It's very important time for them to get the food. I think the money can last until after Chinese New Year.
Wow, will be so meaningful. This is the first time in Malaysia we see this pair of sneakers became so meaningful because of the campaign that you done.
Yeah. Even though Nike also quite happy about it because finally we can do something to give back to the communities and do something good.
Good, cool.
Bring a good cause of it.
This is the moment when we see ZZ is finally on rack. So if you want to get some decoration during Christmas season, so you can just buy. So quite cool though if you have this kind of decoration at your house. Cool stuff. Air Force One and the Strop sitting on shelf, sitting on rack. I don't know why, but personally love this a lot because of this, the black and white colorway. And I have one post on my Instagram where this it matched well with workwear and techwear, and personally think that this is like a stormtrooper kind of feel. Love it so much.
Oh, why they put like this? I think they want to copy like off-white. I don't know, but it's quite ugly. Look, it's like a sticker. You can peel it off. It's not ugly. It's super. It's nice, but it's like sticker.
Hey, we really need to do one episode about Toko Tamba extra version. Before you go, when you go, when you're leaving?
Should be next month.
Next month,
Next month, how to go back? What do you mean? I cancel your visa.
Hey, remember to watch our Top of Tamba.
This one is nice. Just got the Nike at the back.
Yeah,
Picture from the back, surely.
Nike
Take picture from the back, surely.
super nice. So, thank you Atmos KL for this. Pretty good. Of course, the shoes is not. It's not for this. So this will be matching with my fire rate, and I will just post one photo for this. So nice. Shout out to Atmos KL. I always think that Atmos is just came in to Malaysia, but they done so much for the community. They done for the Paranoise campaign that they donated 86,000 to those who need it, and I think all these are the Christmas present for the kids. You can see the names, the height, the sizes of their, I think it's the clothes for them, and I really think that they are doing a very great job. This is like, I don't know if black or white also. I mean, there's no hype, but this is one of the most comfortable. This is not the first time I thought about this shoe.
This is the most comfortable shoe.
I don't know why.
I'm trying the Hoka right now. I feel like this is quite comfortable.
Uncle, shut up.
Uncle, you should buy this kind of shoe. Comfort, good for you. This old folks home shoe. Yeah,
Jordan.
good for you. You go in that shoe.
Jordan 11 on rack.
Jubilee. What are you doing? Take a picture of fat man and insurance man. See, you're also laughing. Fat man, insurance man, old man. You are new sneakerhead and you don't know how to wear shoes, you check out Shengyi's video.
Hey,
I
don't
tell them go see Shengyi's video. Just follow whatever this guy buy, then you buy also. Okay.
Oh, you ask people to bankrupt, you don't want to buy only shoes like Dior, you ask people to buy Dior. What to buy? Oh Lord, this.
If you're not then buy then.
As long as you don't buy Ultra Boost, you're okay.
As long as you don't buy Ultra Boost investment.
Yeah, you're okay. Okay, now people shop, man.
See the back here they use the 4%, but then they didn't put the carbon fiber plate. And then the front here they put the zoom alpha unit.
Three layer of clothing, although we are in Malaysia. See, sweater with another one here, two layer clothing. These are hype beasts.
Wait, what? I'm wearing the exact same thing I wore last night.
Shit, someone never wash it. Real hype beast.
Ini bro, they had to wear the older version, huh? You had to wear the older version, huh? Just to prove his OG. That's to prove his OG.
Hey, we are in the middle of talking about how to be an OG.
Yeah. You take the shoe that just released, but you wear the older version.
What's wrong? I don't get a new shoe. What's wrong? I choose to not buying a pair of new shoes just because I have it.
Thank you for watching my YouTube channel all the time. Thank you for all the support. This might be the last episode. I think this will be the last episode of 2020. So thank you for supporting me, my channel. If you like it, share it to your friends. And I wish everyone a Merry Christmas. Have a great 2020 and have a greater 2021. Love you all. Bye bye.